Hello friends, myself Dr. Irfan, Faculty of Commerce. I am handling business statistics subject. Let us solve the problem related transportation. Now it is a very important module in statistics. Now the problem is solve transportation problem through NWCR as well as LCM for the following data. Now we'll discuss the about the transportation. What do you mean by transportation? Now if you are the smart businessman, you should concentrate about the transportation cost. If you concentrate transportation cost, you can get a maximization of profit. That's why here you should choose a right destination in the several sources is called a transportation. Now transportation having a three major methods. One is NWCR. We are called for N for north, W for west, C for corner, and R for rule method. And the one is LCM. We are called for least cost method. Now, what do you mean by north west corner rule? Now, some of the businessmen, they will choose a route in the respective area. That is called they can start from north, they can start from south, they can start from west, they can start from east. Where more demand is available on that time, they will start from their route. But here they are starting from northwest corner rule. Now we will move for the one by one. First we will solve through NWCR. After that we can solve TP through LCM. Now first one, transportation problem through NWCR. Now first you are having a origin A1, A2, A3, A4, that is the demand sources. B1, B2, B3, B4 having a supply sources. Now supply sources having a 250, demand also having a 250. Now we are having cells. These are the cell. We are having a matrix. We are having a totally 16 matrix and 16 cells. Now what is the first step of a northwest corner rule method? We can start from north corner. This is the north corner. Here we should allocate. Supply is 110 and demand is 100. You should fulfill the demand. Why? Because they are demanding only 100 units and you should fulfill the demand only 100 units. And supply is available 110 box in your warehouse. But here you should subtract 100. 10 is available. A1 having available in 10. But B1 having a 0. It means here all the cells having a into mark because here no requirement is available. Next one is B2. Supply is 10 and demand is 80. You should fulfill the supply first. Minus 10 equal to 0. Here minus 10 equal to 70. Here 0 comes no. This cell is into. This cell also into. Because 0 comes no, you should make a into mark in cell. Why? You can't touch because that cell don't have a requirement. Now next one is A2 row. In A2 row, B2 column. Why? B1 column requirement is fulfilled, demand is fulfilled. Now B2 is required. How much? B2 is required 70, demand, and A2 is available, supply is 90. Now here you should fulfill the demand, that is a 70 minus 70 equal to 0. Here minus 70 equal to 20. Now here B2 having a nil requirement. Now here you should put into mark, into mark. Next, come to the B3 column. In a B3 column having a 30 demand and A2 row having a 20 supply. Now here you should fulfill the supply. Why? Supply is less, demand is more. You should fulfill the supply. 20 minus 20 equal to 0. Now this cell is into minus 20, remaining is 10. Next, come to the B1 no requirement, B2 no requirement, B3 is required is there, A1 is no requirement, A2 is no requirement, A3 is there. In A3 we are having a supply is 20 and demand is 10. You should fulfill the supply. Minus 10 equal to 0. Here minus 10 equal to 10. Next, here B3 having a no requirement and A3 row and B4 column. Here 10 is supply is available but demanding 40. You can first you should fulfill the supply. How much? 0 minus 10, 30. Now last cell is available, demand also 30 and supply also 30. Demand and supply both are same. Now here fulfill supply as well as demand. 30 minus 30 0, 30 minus 30 0. Now here the first step is our allocation. Now first we will check out either is correct or no. First we will move for the A1. In A1 row 100 plus 10, 110. In A2 70 plus 20, 90. In A3 10 plus 10, 20. A4 30. Next come to the column. In B1 10, 100 we require 100. B2 10 plus 70, 80. B3 20 plus 10, 30. B4 10 plus 30, 40. After that you should calculate transportation cost or total cost. How to calculate the transportation or total cost? Now here the first cell having a allocation. The matrix is 6 into allocation is 100. Next 600. Next cell is matrix is 4 and allocation is 10. 4 tens are 40. Next 7 is a matrix and allocation is 70 equal to 490. 7 70 is a 490. Next cell is 2 is matrix and allocation is 20 equal to 40. Next cell is 5 is 5 is matrix and allocation is 10. 5 tens are 50. Next 15 is a matrix and allocation is 10, equal to 15 tens are 150. And last cell is 12 is a matrix and 30 is a allocation. 12, 30 is a 360. Now here your total cost is 0, 4 plus 9, 13 plus 4, 17 plus 10, 27 plus 6, 33. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 6, 17. The total transportation cost is 730 through NWCR. Next, come to the second method, that is transportation problem through LCM, least cost method or matrix minima method. Okay, here we are allocating our cost, transportation cost through list matrix. Where is list matrix is there, we are allocating the respective sources. Now here first step is you should write down from bottom or lowest matrix to highest matrix. Okay, totally we are having a 16 matrix here. 6, 4, 10, 8, 14, 7, 2, 9, 3, 16, 5, 15, 1, 11, 13 and 12. These are the matrix. Okay, you should write down from lowest matrix to highest matrix. Okay, in this 16 matrix, the first lowest matrix is 1, we are written. Next is 2, we are written here. Next is 3, here we are written. 4, like that. 5, 6, 7 is there. 8 is there here. Okay, 9 is there. Next 10 is there. 11 is there. 12 is there here. 13 is there. 14 is there. 15 is there. And last one is 16. Okay, now after that we should choose a list matrix here. In this cell, list matrix here 1. Now make one box. See, the supply is 30 and demand is 100. You should fulfill the supply. Minus 30 equal to 0, minus 30 equal to 70. Now first here 0 is there, into mark, into mark, into mark, no requirement. Next, second lowest matrix is 2. See here 2 is there, no into mark because allocation is there, requirement is there. Now supply is 90 and demand is 30. You should fulfill the demand. Minus 30, 0, minus 30 equal to 60. Next, here 60 is there. In B3 you having a no requirement. Here you should put into mark, into mark, into mark. Now 2 is over. Next matrix is 3. In 3 cell we are having a empty, no into mark because requirement is there. Make one box. See, supply is 20 and demand is 70. We should fulfill the supply. 20, 0, into mark, minus 20 equal to 50. Next 3 is over. Next 4, in 4 requirement is there. Supply is 110 and demand is 80. You should fulfill the demand. Minus 80, 0, into mark, minus 80 equal to 30. Next 4 is over. 5, see, in 5 into mark is there, no requirement, go to next matrix. 6, okay, in 6 no, because here no into mark is there because requirement is there. Make one box. Supply is 30 and demand is 50. You should fulfill the supply. Minus 30, 0, minus 30 equal to 20. Now here A1 having a 0, into and into. Now 6 also over. Next 7, in 7 in a cell into mark is there, go to next matrix. 8, in 8 above into mark is there, go to next matrix. 9, no into mark is there because requirement is there, make a box. Now here supply is 60 and demand is 40. You should fulfill the demand. Minus 40, 0, minus 40 equal to 20. Next 10, in 10 above into mark is there, go to next matrix. 11, 11 above into mark is there, no requirement, go to next matrix. 12, 12 above into mark is there, no requirement is there, next go to the next matrix. 13 above into mark is there. Next 14, 14 above no into mark because requirement is there. Now see here 20 is a supply and demand is a 20. You should fulfill the 20 as well as demand, supply as well as demand. Now 14 also over. Next let us check out 15. In 15 above into mark is there, no. 16, 16 above into mark is there because here you are fulfilled the least cost method, all the requirements. Next is calculation of transportation cost. Now first one by one. Here first cell the matrix is 6 into the allocation is 30 equal to 180. Next see 4 is there, 4 is a matrix into allocation is 80 equal to 320. Next here 14 is a your matrix into and 20 is a your allocation. $480. Sorry, 280. 80. Next, 2 is a matrix and 30 is a allocation, that is a 60. Next, same 9 is a matrix and allocation is 40 equal to 360. Next one is 3 is a matrix and allocation is 20 equal to 60. Next, 1 is a matrix and 30 is a allocation, 30. Now here the total transportation cost is 180 plus 320, 500 plus 280, 780 plus 60, 840 plus 60, 900 plus 360, 1260 plus 30, 1290. Let us once again check out. 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 18, 24, 30, 39, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12. The transportation cost of LCM is 1290 and transportation cost is through NWCR, that is a 1730. Now here your problem is over. If you like this video, please share your students and comment. Thank you for listen my video. Thank you one and all.